Hey guys, it's Crafting with Carla. So the other day I fell down and I had to get stitches, so I thought it would be really fun today to make a self portrait with stitches. So that's fun. So for today's lesson, you need some paper. You also need sewing kit, scissors, and this is a piece of blue paper. I don't know if you've ever had stitches before, but when I had stitches, they used a piece of blue paper, and if you don't know what it's for, you are in for a fun surprise. So the first thing we need to do is draw a self-portrait. And you can do this however you want to. I'm going to use markers, but if you want to use paint or like a different kind of paint, you could, but I'm going to use markers. I want to have a lot of color in this self-portrait because I think I like color. So I don't know, like which of these is closest to my skin tone. Like I don't know if I'm like more orange or more pink or even yellow. I'm not sure. So I guess I'm going to use all three to draw myself. Wasn't really what I had in mind, but I'm trying to go for accuracy, and this is the best I have. This is not so good. So that's my face. So you want to draw more than just your face when you're drawing your self-portrait. So I'm also going to give myself some clothes. So I like blue. So here's like a t-shirt. And like I said, I want a lot of color. So I'm just going to color it in really fast. If there's something you really like cats or a band, you can draw that on the front. What do I like? I guess I'll just write cats. That's cool. Pants. I want to wear some pants. I guess like red pants. I don't know if you've ever owned a pair of red pants, but there's something special about red pants. Like you just feel cool when you wear red pants. Because like most people don't wear red pants. So when people see you walking down the street, they're like, look at that cool lady with red pants. I want red pants. And then shoes. I guess, I don't know. Black shoes is good. And then, I have to draw my arms. So I guess I'll do the same color that I used for my face, because I don't have a color that looks like me. This isn't too, maybe if I make them. Okay, so here's a hack I just discovered I want to share with you guys. So when I did my face, I put the three colors together, but I don't want like a round arm. So I'm going to actually line up my colors like a line and do that to do my arms. And then I'm just going to rotate it so it was at this angle. Remember geometry? And then I'm going to like do that to do this arm. So this is super good. I'm almost done with my self-portrait. I want to draw a face, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do like, wait, before my face, I want to draw some hair. So this is my hair. So anyway, for my face, do I want like a happy face, or I think I want to make the face I had when I fell down. So it was like, oh my God, like this. Okay, so my self-portrait is done. This is me. This is what I look like when I fell down. I mean, except like I fell down, right? So it was more like that, I guess. Maybe I should, I don't know. So I fell and I hit my chin. This is where I had the injury. So I have to make a hole there. So remember I said you need scissors. So that's what the scissors are for. So let's go ahead and cut our hole. So you can cut your hole for your stitches anywhere you want. If you've had real stitches before, you might choose to put your hole and your stitches in the same area that you really had it. Or you might choose, like, maybe you have an aspirational hole you want to try maybe someday in the future and have stitches there. So you can go ahead and do it wherever. If you want, if you're like an overachiever, you can do maybe like 2 holes and 2 sets of stitches, but I think 3 would be like just too much. So that's about the shape of the hole that I made in my body when I fell down. And so actually, I really want to go for accuracy here. So I'm going to just try this to get some accuracy. So it was like this. Oh my God, that's a lot. There wasn't this much blood, but there was like a lot of blood. Oh my God. I don't think I meant to do this much blood. So just try to, oh my God, just try to wipe off as much as you can in your bathroom, like before you go to the hospital. God, oh my God. I had tissue. Why don't I ever? Oh my God. Okay, so that's good. Just wipe off as much as you can, and then so this is when you're going to use your needle and thread to do the stitches. So here's my needle. I have some thread that's already cut from another project. So I'm going to use that. I don't want to waste more thread because it's stitches and it's not like a quilt, it's not like a family heirloom. It's like something that the doctor is going to cut off and throw away. So I don't really want to like cut off a new piece of thread for something I'm just going to throw away. So let's go ahead and thread a needle. So I don't know if any of you know how to thread a needle, so I'll just give you a quick hack for how to thread the needle. You take the pointy end and you put it in the hole. That's really it. It's really easy. Just like that. Shit. Let's try again. You don't get it the first time, don't even judge yourself. It's totally normal to like fail. So that's good. Oh, I almost forgot the blue piece of paper. So when I went to the hospital to get my stitches, they had this paper and it had a hole in it. And they put the hole, like they put the paper with the hole over where they were going to sew me up. And I think that's so that I couldn't look into their eyes as they were sewing me up. So it looked kind of like that. So I couldn't really see what they were doing. So I'm going for accuracy here. So I want it to be like similar. So I'm gonna do the same thing because it kind of creeps me out to look at this while I'm sewing into it. And so I'm gonna do like the doctor did and just do that. So I'm just gonna sew this. So it's really, sewing is easy. You just put the needle in and out again. And like if you were sewing like a quilt or whatever, you would put a knot at the end of your thread. But like stitches are different. They like leave the ends out. Shit. They like, oh my God, that got soggy. So I'm just gonna, if you get soggy from all the blood, just like, oh my God, shit. This is really soggy. So if it's okay if you got soggy from the blood, just come out a little bit further where maybe you're less soggy and it's fine. It'll heal. Your body is like a miracle. So don't even worry about it. Your body knows what your body needs. Your body can heal itself. And we're just going to come out a little bit further than we ever expected to make our stitches. And this is looking super good. Like it was really smart to just come out a little bit further from the actual injury. This is good. So sometimes what happens when you're sewing is a loose piece of thread will get caught in the other thread. You can actually, this is a good hack, use like the pointy part of the needle to just pull it out. It's really easy. We're almost done here. Oh, so don't sew the paper thing onto your face. That's not good. Let me, gosh, this is so soggy. Come on. Jesus. Okay, that's good. All right, so that's really good. So when you're done, just pull the needle off and set that down. And then you're gonna have two ends of the thread. And I don't know what they did because I had this blue thing over my face, but I'm guessing they just tied it together and tied it off. Maybe, like, I kind of want a little bow because that's cute. Nobody likes a big scar on their face, but oh my God. Anyway, so that's good. So when you're all done, just go ahead and remove the paper. And you can see you're all stitched up. Don't let the patient see all the blood because that's scary for them and they might be in shock. And there you go. You'd have a self-portrait with stitches. I hope that helped. I'm not a doctor.